All right, new arrival. Check out this 1986 911 Carrera in special ordered Meteor Gray. Absolutely stunning in person. This is all original paint. Like I said, it's Meteor Gray, which has got a little bit of a, it's a gray with a little bit of purple in it. I don't know if you can see it in the video. But just a gorgeous car. Look at that tonneau cover. It's perfect. But I wanted to show you with the seats down how nice this car is. You can see it hasn't been left outside in the sun baking. Usually the back of the carpeting gets all nasty and from the UV gets all faded. These carpetings the carpet is just perfect. Absolutely perfect. So this is special ordered champagne leather. And this car has only 9,912 miles. Again, 9,912 miles on a special ordered 86 911 Carrera cab. Look at that shift now. That was you can order that through the dealership back in the day. Full leather with the crest embossed in it. You can see it's got the original radio still. So the car was special ordered with raised steering hub, short shifter. Let's see, actually, I got a copy of the window sticker in the front here. So velour, you got the carpeting up front. Toolkit is like brand new. Obviously with 9,000 miles, this car has not been driven too far. That's a second full tonneau cover that covers up the entire interior of the car. A couple sets of keys, valet keys, wheel lock keys, copy of the window sticker. And again, it's Meteor Gray with champagne interior, full leather, steering wheel with a raised hub, limited slip, 16-inch wheels, power top, and the short shift. And you got the books and records right there too. But look at this engine bay. You can eat off of this thing. Oh, gorgeous. All the factory markings are still there. The fan is still covered in the factory Cosmoline. It's just awesome. Just a true survivor. All the decals are there. Correct plating on everything. This car has not been messed with, and it's clean everywhere, even on the back of this usually gets all schmutzed up. Look at that. Total survivor. Again, 1986 911 Carrera in special ordered Meteor Gray over special ordered champagne leather with only 9,912 miles. Gorgeous.